everybody! Alright, so you would think I'd be more depressed, but I'm not. Over the years on the Pro Forum, it's happened a bunch of times where someone comes online and they say, OMG, I'm being sales tax audited. And I've seen it happen over and over and over again. So I'm pretty sure I know what they're looking for with this whole sales tax thing. Number one, they're looking for, in case you ain't figured it out, I now am being sales tax audited. Got the little thing in the mail, you know, registered letter, then they call you and they try to be all friendly. Oh, I bet you're looking forward to the weekend, or whatever. So, anyway, bottom line is I'm being sales tax audited. So I'm pretty sure I know what they're looking for. They're looking for, you know, cash. Oh, photographers get paid in cash a lot, and they don't pay the sales tax. Well, that ain't me. I mean, people pay me cash all the time, and in the oil field world that we live in, they'll say, oh, here's some cash. That way you don't have to pay sales tax. And I tell the customer, I'm sorry, I don't play that game. Just because you give me cash does not mean I ain't going to collect sales tax from you, and especially don't mean I ain't going to pay it. They give me cash, I pay the sales tax. So that's the first thing the sales tax people are looking for, is some kind of way where cash was exchanged and I didn't account for it. Well, being I don't play that, I ain't got no worries. The next thing they're looking for is miscalculation of non-taxable items. I'm going to give you an idea what I'm talking about. I don't know, just because somebody says, oh, I'm tax exempt, and you say, oh, you're tax exempt, okay, and you don't charge them sales tax, does not necessarily mean they're tax exempt. Well, dude, I don't do business with tax exempt people. I sell to high school seniors, you know? So high school seniors all get taxed. So every one of my customers gets taxed. The next thing they're looking for, and this may be a warning out there for a lot of people on the Pro Forum, is session fees. From what I understand, there are a lot of photographers who think that because they charge a session fee, that is a service and it's not taxable. But the reality is that as soon as that session or that service turns into a product, in other words, you sell them a digital file or you sell them an 8x10, then the session actually becomes taxable also. The only way the session is not taxable is if all you do is some sort of photography service, but you have no product. And I can't come up with an example of how we would do that as a photographer. Who wants us to take pictures of things and not give them something like a digital file or a print? Everybody wants some kind of a product, thus the whole thing is taxable. Well, no problem. I've always taxed sales session fees and all those types of things. I collect the sales tax, I pay the sales tax. It's just easy. So that's out the window. The only other thing, and it's a dispute right now between my accountant and the tax people, is, for example, if you buy a lens from Dury's and you don't claim that lens on your sales tax papers, the tax people are claiming you're supposed to pay sales tax on that lens, and my accountant is claiming you do not pay sales tax on that lens. I'm sure the tax guy is going to win, and I'm probably going to owe around $1,000 worth of tax for various types of equipment that I never collected. I mean, I never paid sales tax on. Fine. I'm a pay your taxes kind of guy, okay? If I owe the tax, I'll pay the tax. It ain't no big deal to me. But over the last few weeks, months, whatever, over the last few weeks or days, I should say, if I've been absent from the Pro Forum, it's because I've been in the middle of this whole sales tax thing. Gathering up paperwork, they want to see invoices, they want to see, you know, receivables and payables, they want to see everything. So whatever, I got all that stuff, so I'm giving it to them. Wonderful, right? It's a great world we live in. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.